How to add or remove a beneficiary in Citibank. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need to add or remove a beneficiary on your Citibank account, well, let's walk you through the process on the desktop. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Citibank. And now here, from the search result, you can just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Citibank. Now here, simply log in with your account and once logged in, you can just click on Profile or Services from the top menu and then choose Account Services or Beneficiary Management depending on your account type. And here to add, you can just click Add Beneficiary and enter the person full name, relationship and contact info. And here once you're done entering that, you simply have to review the details and then just click on Submit. And here to remove someone, you can locate their name on the beneficiary list and click remove or delete and confirm the action when prompted. And that's it. That's how you can add or remove a beneficiary in Citibank using your desktop. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.